ARC-Shield, the world's first auto-darkening welding goggles with clip shield, developed on the basis of 30 years' experience and cutting-edge safety technology of Servoray, has now evolved into an even more powerful and versatile product, ARC-Shield 2. ARC-Shield 2, a multi-purpose, multifunctional protection device that comes with a wider view and brighter, clearer LCD screen than traditional welding visors, realizes not only fast shading speed, but also maintains stable shade. Its dual sensing capacities, RF and optical sensors, will provide welders for their intended welding works with the most optimal shade that will allow them to achieve high-quality work performance. ARC-Shield 2 is consisting of a face shield, auto-darkening goggle, and hood, and it is so compact and light in weight that if you can see it, you can weld it, which is not always the case when using welding helmets. ARC-Shield 2 is equipped with many safety functions, so it provides a safe, efficient working environment. First, as the LCD screen provides a wider open view and a brighter, clearer screen, it can prevent safety accidents of welders such as falls when they move around in the workshop and work on a high workbench, so it ensures their safety more securely. 2 optical sensors and 1 RF sensor optimize sensors' sensitivity affected by welding environments so the best welding shading performance can be experienced. In particular, the RF sensor realizes stable welding performance, especially in a low-amp, current TIG welding and restricted welding environment. ARC-Shield 2 considers users' convenience as very important. Each part can be removed, so it has very excellent compatibility. It can be assembled and replaced easily and conveniently. Hard-coated front protection lens is to protect users from the welding spatters, flying objects, and external impacts. The anti-fog lens for fogging prevention stops fogged up and condensation by temperature differences, and welders sweat reliably. The convenient function that can attach a separate magnifying lens or prescribed lens with single frame has thoughtful consideration of ARC-Shield 2 for users. Furthermore, users can wear protective glasses and a dust respirator inside the goggle using a wide inner space. They also can choose a safety helmet according to their intended use. In particular, a wide variety of face-protecting shields is available, including clip shields and visor shields, so users can use them conveniently according to their preference for safety and working. ARC-Shield 2 is light, so it can prevent musculoskeletal diseases of users welding for a long time. It is also small, so it is best for pipe welding in confined spaces and for welding of structures requiring angled work, including conversion and repair of vehicles and ships. Also, the silicone skirt protects eyes from welding fumes and blocks interference of backlight by giving perfect vision on welding. Just by looking at ARC-Shield, you can see the future of the welding helmet. The gold standard for convenient, safe, efficient welding. It just begins with ARC-Shield 2.